Welcome to Piguet Auction House. I will show you today how to bid online on our new platform. You could do so either by visiting piguet.com or by downloading the Piguet app. If you are already a client at Piguet Auction House, click on Login and enter your email address and password. If this is your first time bidding with Piguet Auction House, welcome. Click on Sign Up to continue. Complete the required fields and confirm your registration by clicking on the validation link, which you will receive automatically from our admin team. This registration is not automatic. Within 24 hours, you will receive a confirmation email advising you that you can now place bids. We may also ask you to provide additional information and documents for identification purposes. You can browse through all the lots, choose the ones you prefer, put them on your watch list, and place a bid. You can place a bid by clicking directly on the button, putting the maximum bid, and waiting for the end of the auction. Should somebody bid more than you, you will receive an email saying that you have been outbid. You can then return to the platform and bid again. At the end of the auction, you will receive an email with all the information necessary to complete your purchase. Have fun bidding on Piguet.com.